Do you like to listen music? Or you're just like me, who just go to Spotify to see the new album covers? Well, have you ever seen album covers like this? I really like the details, but sadly, I have not made any one. But I really like these covers. But today I'm going to make my own album cover. So let's start off by sketching. So my last drawing got a good response, and thank you so much for giving that response. So starting off by the basic sketch, and we'll go with the inking. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a like for more videos like this, and your likes and support is appreciated. Thank you so much. Alright, so we are done with sketching. Now I'm going with the inking. For inking, I'm using my calligraphy pen. Which part of my video do you like the most? Share in the comments. Alright, so for coloring, I'm going to be using my old Hoho markers. If you're anybody from the music industry searching a person to make an album cover, then you can slide through my email. Details are shared in the description below. So we have came to the end of this video. I hope you like this drawing and the video. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye. Take care.